Hello. I've got an unboxing for you today of a Wi-Fi camera, cloud cam, indoor wireless IP security camera. And it says Clever Dog on it. I'm not sure. I guess the branding is a bit different. Maybe it's the old one or old something like that. But it's actually TriVision. I don't know if you could see that this was the box was wrapped in this clear plastic. I took it off just to make it a little easier. But it says TriVision Cloud Cam HD 960p. The actual listing on Amazon is TriVision Cloud Cam HD 960p indoor wireless IP security camera with motion sensor, IR night vision, wide angle for home, office, baby, pet monitor with Apple iOS Android app. And it is $39.99 right now, prime shipping. You can get it in gray, like that there, just a little part on it. It's gray, or blue, or orange, or pink. Now, basic functions here: open package, connect to power, connect to network. I mean, it's very simple. You scan the QR code. That's what it is. Sorry, I was thinking UPC code. QR code to get the app, of course, on your phone. But it's just Clever Dog again. Just kind of ignore that, I guess. It's powered by USB, which is nice. It doesn't use a lot of power, just micro USB standard. Looks like just a phone type of adapter. You know, can you get with your phone? Just a little maybe USB adapter. It says travel charger. Nothing special. 5-volt, 1000 milliamp. We have a bag of mounting screws, and here is the little stand or mount, actually. And it looks like it can come apart or something like that, but you run your wire up through here, and this actually fits into the back of the camera. There's a little spot there it can go in somehow or another. Yeah, I guess like that. And you can mount it however you need to. It can, you know, however you need to do it there. Let's see. I guess like that. But this is it here. Obviously, I can't exactly test it right this second. But we have 3 little holes there. One is labeled microphone, one's labeled Wi-Fi, and one's labeled power. If you can see that, there's a little Wi-Fi insignia there. There's the camera lens. It does have a little plastic over top of it, which I'm not going to take off this second. And then there is an LED there in there for nighttime mode. We have our micro USB port on this side, and this says push. It's like, I guess that would be the main power button. Speaker on the back. Again, that's the mounting hole. And here's a micro SD slot, which it can support up to 128 gigs, well, which is pretty good. It's 120 degree. As I said, it's 960p HD video, which is, it's not decent, but at that quality, if it's indoors, it should be okay. And there's apparently 7 days of free cloud storage. And you can get activity alerts on your phone. And you can local storage backup, which is, which is there. Real-time video, you can share it with up to 5 family members as well. Motion detection, it can detect motion, and then it will send you, it'll send it right to your phone. It'll take a bunch of pictures and send them to your phone and say, hey, something's going on, But then, again, you can also talk through this as well. It has 2-way audio, which I think these are, they're neat. And then when my kids were younger, I had one. And if I was away, I could be like, hey, take the dogs out. Like that. I mean, it's just easier, and I can see what they were doing, too. There's the QR code there to scan. It's probably in the book, too. Yeah, right there, it looks like. Google and App Store. That's about it. We have indicator light status, power on boot, configuring, Wi-Fi connecting, system updating, H.264 codec, 1280 by 960 at 15 frames per second. It does BGN wireless protocol, which is good. That would be mine. That's about it, really. I'm gonna need to test it out, see how it works and all that. It looks like a neat little cam. I mean, you could pretty much hide this, some places, nice little nanny cam type of deal, or whatever. I mean, for your pets and stuff like that. to see what they're doing. But anyway, TriVision cloud cam, $39.99 Amazon. Yeah, seems like a pretty cool little product. I mean, I love this security stuff. You know, a little hobby of mine, I guess you could call it. Thanks.